Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install latest version of PowerShell on Windows 11. So the first thing, if you're getting this, first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to Microsoft Store and then go to downloads and check for updates and install the latest updates here. Then once it's done, we can go to PowerShell. Then right click on Windows icon here and open terminal as admin. Then we need to put this command here, winget search PowerShell and press enter. Press Y and then you get this window here. We can see that we have a PowerShell here. So what we need to do here is to go on the bottom here and then you need to write winget install Microsoft.PowerShell, and it will get the items that we need here. So as you can see here, starting package install. We need to wait for a couple of seconds until installation here is done. Next up, what you need to do here, you need to completely close terminal, then right click again and open terminal. And then you will see that there is another terminal here. So what you need to do here is to select that particular terminal, and then you need to go to settings and then change default terminal here and save it. And after that, that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I go, as you can see here, there is a PowerShell here. Now I can use it. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like.